Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Do you have anything under the hood upgraded? Not yet?
No, just my old.
Okay. Is there any way I can see it?
It's underneath.
Don't worry about it. I usually try to see everything in the vehicle because the electrical system, the alternator is an important factor.
Yeah, no, my battery's in the back.
Okay. Oh, there it is? Okay.
Yeah, so everything's...
Yeah, I didn't know if you had your battery under there or here. Okay.
No, I deleted the front.
Okay. Is that a... What size?
80 long.
Oh, okay. Nice. Are you still planning to seal off around it?
So no, I'm actually, after the show, I'm pulling it out and doing a single 15/6 no wall.
Oh, okay. Singles, okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
This is a dual 15 fourth order right now.
Nice.
Like 3 on bottom.
Yeah.
7 on top.
Did you build this?
Yep.
Nice work.
Building design.
So is the box subs inverted or in the sealed section, the motor?
No, inverted.
Okay. Got it.
Yeah, dude, they're too big, dude. My inverted section's like 5 inches tall. I mean, my sealed section's like 5 inches.
Okay.
Yeah, it's nothing.
What kind of ratio and cubes are there?
So it's roughly a 2 to 1.
Okay.
I'm at like 3.2 on the sealed, and then 7 on top.
Okay. So common chamber?
Yeah.
And how much power in the subs? What are they rated at?
I'm running 2 cab 45s, but I'm clamping maybe like 5,500, 6K.
Okay.
I got 2 ZV5 15s.
Okay. That's good. Any kind of SPL tests?
Yeah, so I hit like just under a 152 consistently on the glass, but under 5K.
That's pretty good then.
Yeah,
and bandwidth is probably good. Yeah. Are you not happy with it?
45 to like 26.
Okay, so about 20 hertz.
Yeah, and it also depends on if I seal the car up, everything changes.
Yeah.
So I don't really seal it up much.
Got it. Awesome. Well, yeah, man, I would love to hear it. Is it better windows up or down, or how do you think it likes it most?
Yeah, windows down.
Okay. Nice. And you keep the back open?
Yeah, I'm louder.
Wow, louder.
A whole dB.
A whole dB just by having that back open.
Mm-hmm.
That's probably because it's breathing from the back instead of it being sealed off.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah, because I haven't tried like sealing the whole thing yet.
Yes,
so.
sir. Your name and what? You're on a team or anything?
Yeah, Team Base Outlaws.
Team Base Outlaws. Okay. And what's making you want to change it to the 6th no wall?
Just competitiveness.
Okay.
Because it's pretty niche.
It is? Okay.
Yeah, like 20 hertz, no wall, under 2,500 watts.
Yeah.
Like, no one does it.
Yeah.
So I'm just trying to hit a 20, like a 146 at 20 hertz in a single 15 no wall.
That's going to be crazy.
Yeah.
6th order will do that for sure, though. Yeah, man. All right. for that kind of style box not being sealed, open back.
Yeah, dude,
I'm pretty
it doesn't
impressed.
do bad.
You did a good job, man.
It doesn't do bad,
Awesome.
bro.
Thank you for the demo.
Yeah, bro.
Nice to meet you. Your name and what?
Richard.
You're on a team or anything?
Yeah, Team Base Outlaws.
Team Base Outlaws. Okay.
Thanks,
Nice
bro.
to meet you, man. Thanks
Yeah,
for
you
letting
too,
me hear
bro.
it. I appreciate it. Good bandwidth. I like that. Holler Boys 27 Hertz song.
Yeah, bro, that's hits.
You have a good day, man.
You too, bro. Go get those demos.
Yes, sir.